So today we're going to attempt to make banana bread, but without any instructions, without a recipe. All right? We're going to wing it and it's going to be beautiful. We're going to grab this squisher thing. We're going to squish these bananas. No, please, not me. Yes, you. Very good. Boom. Now, I'm gonna, this is in no particular order. You know, real recipes, they'll tell you what to put first, what to put second. I don't really care. It's all going into the same bowl. So who cares? There might be a reason though, that I don't know of. All right, 2 eggs. What's next? We're gonna put a little bit of this Robin Hood all-purpose flour. All right. This banana crusher. We're kind of done with this. Let's use this instead. Now, MCT oil. Why do I use MCT oil? Because I don't have time to melt butter. So, we just pour this in. If anything, you will go to the washroom. No problem. And even though I said no butter, I have a little bit left in here. This is why I brought the spoon. Boom! I did not melt it, so you're probably wondering, what is this guy doing? Just gonna crush it. Now, I found this, and it's called Premium Erythritol Sweetener. Erythritol Sweetener in the US. I have never used this. Let's taste it. Take a little pinch. Whew. Oh, no. Oh, what is this? Whew. Whew. Oh, no. Oh, what is this? Whew. That's not sweetener. I'm not using this anymore. Sorry, guys. Let's grab good old white sugar, I think. We'll be better off with this. Wow, ooh. Whatever that is, don't buy it. Erythritol sweetener. Erythritol. It's kind of a little bit, just a tiny bit of this. Oh. See you in about an hour. Ladies and gentlemen, it has been exactly an hour. Woo! All right. Oh, look at that. It's nice and golden on top. Nice bounce to it. And let's just see here if it's cooked. Yeah. Yes. This part here is a little undercooked, but you know what? We're gonna pull it out anyways. Let the banana bread sit, and it should cook itself. I have a treat for you.
to cut the beautiful banana
Oh boy.
bread.
Maybe there's a reason she does the. Oh, yeah,
We're going to cut the
This.
banana
All
bread.
right, very good.
Look at that.
Is it in one piece?
Beautiful. The center
Whoa.
that looks a little chewy, like raw, uncooked, but it's gonna be great.
She's killing my banana bread presentation.
No, it's good. See, look at that beautiful.
Look at it. Look at it.
Voila.
Boom. Whoa.
Let's taste a piece of the center. It's good. Good. I was thinking with the amount of sugar you put in, it was gonna be wicked sweet, but it's not. And the walnuts, a little crunch. Very good. I'm just gonna get some butter.
I'm filming myself because it does not make this banana justice. Look at it. Mmm. 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 Come on. Yeah. Pretending you don't like my stuff, eh? How many pieces have you taken already?